Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing a fall decor Dollar Tree haul. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got some cute fall decor. I know it's a bit early, but I'm just so excited for fall and Christmas. Those are my two absolute favorite seasons, so I have started early. But before I get started, I'm going to try this new, well, I've used it before and I absolutely love it because my lips are a bit dry. And I'm going to use this new Power On Lip Plumber from IMethod Beauty. So let me just quickly do that before I jump into this haul. Guys, I have a coupon code. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. You can go ahead and shop it and get 20% off with my coupon code. That's all the way. Just make sure that it's so guys, I picked up this it said leaves are falling, autumn is calling, and I just had to get this. They had so many cute pieces, guys. I wasn't sure. I was a bit disappointed I didn't get to pick up way more. And I got this cutting board shape pumpkin kiss and harvest wishes sign. I also got this fall blessing. Oh, this is so cute, guys. I love this design. Absolutely beautiful. Another one of the pumpkin spice and everything nice cutting board like one. Got this always be thankful one. It's so cute. This one says welcome to our patch, and that is what it looks like. So let me kind of slant it a little bit. This one says hello autumn. I like the truck with the pumpkins, and I like the little glittery autumn. This one says give thanks, and it has just the ropes wrapped around it. Love it. I put up this thankful sign, and I picked up this decorative books that said leaves are falling, autumn is calling. And then I got this one that says thankful, grateful, blessed. I got this August 2022 to 2023 planner. I picked it up in this color. I saw two colors. I got this color and a black, but I chose to get this one, and I thought it would be perfect for my August planning. I also got this book. It says international bestseller, The Nature Care. I only picked this up not to read, unfortunately, but to use it as a decorative stack of book. I was hoping to get at least 4 of them, but they only had one available at a location I went to, and I still decided to grab it because I was looking for some decorative books on Amazon, and it was like $40 for a set of 3, and I was like, not doing it. These are not fall related, but hubby wanted some more extra pens and a book, and since we were in there, we decided to grab these. These are not fall related either, but we were running low on paper towels, so since we were there, we decided to just grab these 4 rolls. It's a paper towel issue tote, and I got this white ceramic pumpkin. I picked this one up because first of all, I like the gold, I like the color, and I like the fact that you can lift this up. It's probably gonna be hard to store it, and not of the wrap it in tape and stuff to store it, but I liked it, so I picked that one up. So picked it up in the color orange. This is also ceramic, green and gold one. This one is also ceramic, and I just love the color of it. I don't know what exactly this is, but I like the way it looks, so I decided to get it. It's also ceramic, and I like this little thing on it, the leaf like thing on it. And I got this little cat, oh, I think it's a cat figurine. I like the look of it. As I almost forgot, we got this. We also picked up this. Well, Tiana picked it up for herself. This little paint set. It came with the brush and the paint. She did this last night. I thought it was more than one sheet in it. If I had known it was just one, I probably would have grabbed some more for her. But she liked it, and this is what it turned out to. Yeah, and in total we spent like $30 something. So it was a good buy in total for everything. So guys, that is it for the Dollar Tree haul. I wanted so much more because I saw my sweet friend Morgan posted some stuff on her Instagram stories, and I saw it and I was like, oh, they're so cute, let me run to the Dollar Tree. So I started watching Dollar Tree fall videos that same night, and I saw all these cute things. I don't know what's happening with the stores in Florida, but they have all these cute stuff, and then when I go to the one in our location, it's never like that. But I am pleased with what we had. I tried a different location than the one I normally go to, and it was a larger one. It was well more stocked and organized than the one I normally go to in my area. So I was happy about that. But I think I went too early because they didn't have a bunch of fall stuff, and I wanted the plush and the velvet looking pumpkins. They didn't have a ton of that. But I did see they had some cute dogs and elephant and other figurine stuff. But I didn't want to get too much of that and not have anywhere to put it. I really wanted more pumpkins for the fall. But I'm gonna try another location later on down in maybe next month, or later on down in the month, and maybe they'll have some more stuff and add it to my collection. But so far I'm pleased with the signs, and I'm pleased with the few of the pumpkins I did end up picking up. And I love the stackable books. That's a plus. Oh, and hopefully when I do go back, they have some more of these books so I can use them and make my own stackable decorative books. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Have a blessed day, y'all.